Hello, friends. So, what we are going to see today is a very interesting um, circuit design. DICIDE digital circuit design. It's a very wonderful circuit design software. So, in this, I want to teach you how to generate a combination circuit and sequential circuit. In a Logisim, you can use this combinational analysis and create some inputs such as A and B and C, and you go to the output tables, and what you do is A1 as output, B1 as its output, and C1 as its output. So then you go to the table. So these are the things. When you just change these things into zeros and ones in lightning speed, you can create the sequential circuits. Okay, you can create the sequential circuits, and after creating the sequential circuits, you just give build circuit, and it will ask you in NAND gates, use NAND gates, and circuit name you give some name, and as it has been created. You can create a decoder in this manner. It is very lightning speed. In lightning speed, you create a digital circuit. Okay, this is for combinational circuits. What about sequential circuits? For sequential circuits, this is DCID. I really don't know how to use this, but I know how to just play with this. There is Moore and Mealy method. When you go to this so-called Moore and Mealy's method in digital circuits for sequential circuits. So in Logisim, you created this in combinational analysis. You created this just like tweaking the truth tables. But when you go to this, you just go to the Wikipedia, not Wikipedia now. So Google, okay, Google. You just go to the Google. I really want you guys to support Wikipedia because they are suffering a lot. Then they are giving a very quality content, but just now I have not sponsored. When my salary comes, I'll surely go and sponsor Wikipedia because they give you wonderful content on mathematics and computer science and everything. We should surely support. Please support Wikipedia, fund them. Okay. So Moore Mealy method for generating sequential circuits. Okay, this is Moore Mealy method for generating sequential circuits in Wiki. In Wiki, you just type no. It will show you Mealy machine, and another thing is a Moore machine. These guys are doing a very great job. Wikipedia rocks. Okay, so now what happens is that you want to generate a sequential circuit. So it is given in this manner. So for combinational circuit, there is no problem. But what you have to do is input count and output count. So SI input count, you can just give SI as one. You can give this as SI S1 S2 as input as one, I think so, and as input count in Moore method, not Mealy method. Okay, in Mealy method, and give it as, and you can just create two things and two nodes like this given over here. I shown over here. It's not an S1. Let me take my face. It's not an S1. And now what you have to do is you have to go here. Okay. So design. Oh no. Control insert. It doesn't work like this. But when you just transition design, you just make an VLE circuit. Okay. Design. This is somewhat you have to use this. Okay, so in this manner you have to create it, the Mealy circuit, and you just give this Q3, apply it, remove this, not, you don't want to remove this, So we'll remove Q4. Okay, remove this. So Q3 is not needed. Remove this. So then you have to give this transition label as this thing. So this is more merely kind of designing the circuits. You just design the circuits with this manner and you can generate the sequential circuit. So this is what I was able to discuss this thing to you. So how do you are generating combination analysis in this software? Okay, in this software you can really generate this. So where are the apps? Okay, the apps are supposed to be here. Okay, the apps DCICI. So you just go here. Now you want to close this, you close this, and again open this freshly and go to the sequential circuit, Mielis, and put it as 2, apply it, tap it, and just go here. So you just click it. So you just generate the circuit and you can just design it. Okay, when you just click this design, it has to give this input and output as given over here. Okay, as the input and output. So this is Mielis method and Moore's method. So these are the two scientists who discovered it. So you can generate this in this manner. You have to give it a sequential circuit in Moore and Mielis method. So surely follow this. Okay. So this app is very useful. DCI, CI, digital circuits, as you are seeing here. So please use this app. So DCI, CDI, digital circuits. These are the wonderful people who have created it. So thank you.